Y'all ever open up a wig and be like, that's it, that's the one.
Hey my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shayna Violet, and we are back with another faux and fabulous Friday. And this time we're installing the Y Part Kinky Wand Curled wig from Sensationnel. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and tap that notification bell so you're alerted when I post new videos, especially this series. Now let's get right into this beauty.
Hey y'all, don't mind my hair. This is a product of me just going to sleep with a bonnet on. But we're doing another synthetic wig, a synthetic wig series. I think this is wig number 2. And I'm really excited about this one, y'all. Y'all know I'm a natural girly through and through, even though I wear wigs, even though whatever. But I pretty much am a natural girl, right? Look what I got. Textured wig from Sensationnel, Y Part, kinky edges, wand curl. I haven't been able to do wand curls on my hair just yet. I actually want to do wand curls on my hair. I want to do wand curls and I want to do like beach wave situation because y'all know I got my little bob now. 5 inches of deep parting space, kinky edges that matches hair. Wear kinky edges as is or press with a hot comb for less texture, and it's supposed to be glueless. For curl types, 3B to 3C, definitely not my curl type, but Curls, Kinks, and Co., like that whole line that Sensationnel made for us. I mean, all of this is for us, but y'all know what I mean. I feel like it is so underrated because like I don't see it very often. Oh. Hold on. Let me just put you down. Oh my God. I feel like it's so underrated because I don't really see it in my beauty supply stores in New York. It also could be that it's just selling out because I was looking for this for a little minute. I bought this from, I think, Ebony line, and I don't usually buy wigs from there, but they're so cheap on there. There's like always a discount, there's always a sale. It's like between them, Sam's Beauty. There's a few that I shop from, but like there I usually don't. Wig Types. This might actually give glueless. This I actually might not have to pluck. Oh, she's pretty. She's real pretty. Look at that. See, now that you don't have to pluck. I really don't understand the kinky edge thing. Like I get it, but I also don't get it because it's very rare that I have my hair done, like done, like where I'm wand curled and I just got nappy edges. I don't know who came up with that. Now, okay, I said I wasn't gonna pluck it, but what I do like to do, because like y'all see, I have a very pronounced widow's peak. Like it's literally the McDonald's sign like on my forehead. So when I get these straight wigs that it's like just straight across, I personally feel like they don't look natural because it's not my hairline. And it could just be me, like it probably looks fine, but to me, I'm like, oh my God, it looks so wiggy. It's kind of ear to ear, but not really. The inside has a strap, so this is what's supposed to make it glueless. The strap is not removable, so don't think you're about to be in here with a removable strap. It also has clips on the side. But y'all, this front, y'all see that? Now just imagine that with a widow's peak. The curls are so bouncy. Oh, it's so soft. Oh, I love this. I love this.
Here on this channel, we love a good bald cap, but I didn't do that this time around. I just put on an HD cap and a solid one underneath. We said we weren't plucking, but I at least have to get the widow's peak on deck, like have to. So very minimal plucking. And when I pluck my widow's peak, I make sure to map out exactly what I want the end result to be so it comes out perfect every time. For tinting the lace, I'm using the Even Lace tint. I know, but I bought it before all the controversy and I'm not about wasting money, okay? Like y'all can throw it away. I don't got money for that, okay? Once I sprayed it, I did go in and dry it with my blow dryer on cool. And do you guys see how gorgeous this wig looks on me? Like, giving out a warning, I am chit-chatting throughout this whole video because I literally fell in love with this hair.
Shanice,
yeah,
your mouth is moving a lot like a rat. Yappa. Shut it, please. Thank you, Shanice.
Like, I'm still in love with this hair. It's so full, so realistic. Just really checking off all the boxes in a wig that you would ever want.
This, it's so snug. It's like barely moving, barely going anywhere. We love that. What else would I use to cut this motherfucking lace? But my pinky cheers. I'm not gonna lie, she look good there. She do.
I'm joking. I'm joking.
I had to go back and put a little more makeup on the front before I go in with my spray. And I'm using my OG Bedhead TIGI spray, only one layer, so it'll essentially be glueless. I'm drying it down with my comb and then putting an elastic band over top to make sure it's really melted into my skin. While that's melting, I'm going in with my Merit Beauty foundation stick over the part, and this color is more so my skin tone. I don't know why it works, because I do a darker tint usually on the bottom and then lighten it up at the top. I don't know why it works, but it just does.
I low-key wish the inside was a little ventilated, like, you know, when you can put your fingers through, just because there's so much hair. Like, I feel like my sweat and all types of things are just gonna get trapped in there. But other than that, like, there's really no cons with this. Low-key but high-key, you wanna cut layers in her. I'm not good at cutting layers in curly wigs. I feel like if anything, I usually just cut the end so it looks like more like that. But but I just feel like this needs like it's kind of layered already, but I feel like it just needs a little bit more. Once I start getting afraid to cut things, that's when you know it's a really good wig and I want to preserve it, because one thing about it, I'm gonna cut, I'm gonna pluck, I'm gonna do all the things. But this one, I'm like, maybe I just leave it like this. It is makeup time. I'm so excited to see what she looks like with a full face. I mean, she already looks good with this face, so I can only imagine greatness. Can't wait.
Okay, after the makeup is done, we're looking pretty good. Just have to do some touch-ups around the perimeter and on the remainder of the part that was covered up by the band.
Like, I beg your finest pardon? Baby hack. Usually people put their hot comb through the hair, and then when it's curly hair, it doesn't really make sense because the whole top is flat and then the rest of the hair is curly. So what I like to do, backwards press over. So that it's flat, but the curls, this side, do you see the difference? The curls are still intact, but it's flat, it looks more natural. We love that. Other side, and just be careful of this thing. Okay. And I don't have my heat up too high. I have it on a 5 right now, which is not that hot. And then even though we flattened it, we still want like some volume. So we just push it up, but it's still flat. Does that make sense? Yeah, it does. Y'all, this is the final look. I love her. She's so bad. You don't have to plug it if you don't want to. You really could just put this wig on. It is really, if your hairline is like that, if you got a straight hairline, I don't know who does, but to each their own. If you got a straight hairline, definitely don't have to pluck it. If you don't have a straight hairline and you're not good with plucking, I say just pluck sporadically in the front, just so it gives kind of like, it's just not straight across. But like out of a 10, I'd probably give this a 100. Minus maybe 5, because the lace, I don't know, the lace was not picking up the color well. I don't know if I should have used more spray, but that spray is like kind of orangey, so I feel like it doesn't really go too well if I use too much. I did put a little bit of my foundation, which normally works, and it's a shade darker than me, and the fact that it's still kind of light, I mean, you can't tell now, but the fact that it's kind of light still, it's kind of annoying. So I don't know if the lace is just like not feeling what I use, but that's the only thing. I actually kind of really love the kinky edges, and they say kinky edges, but they're still kind of straight. I've had a kinky edge wig, and the edges was like the back, the kitchen naps. SNL, y'all wasn't playing about kinky. But I feel like they're still kind of straight, so they kind of go with the hair. I think it works. All right, y'all, so I'm actually going out, so this is a perfect going out wig too. Oh, she's so cute. I know I'm gonna get compliments. She is so cute. I love the shape. I'm not cutting her. I'm not gonna comb her out, even though I'm really tempted to. I really want this wig to last. So if I reinstall this wig, or when I reinstall this wig, I will comb her out just to see what she's giving, or when it's on its last leg. This is what I want my wand curls to look like when I do my hair. So I think this is a really good, they did a good job. You're doing great, sweetie. You're doing great. And the length, I feel like I mentioned the length before. It's 20 inches, which I feel like it's definitely giving more than that. Absolutely obsessed with this wig. It is so tea. They put their whole foot in the formula of this wig, even though it's not even a recipe, but they got the recipe right. I'm gonna just say that. Thank you guys so much for watching as usual. Let me know in the comment section below if you're loving this little wig series that I have going on. Granted, this is only wig number 2, but we have 3 more that we have for the month, or that I have like already scheduled and planned, and I'm very excited for those. Also planning on doing a full plucking tutorial on how to pluck your synthetic wigs. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you're aware when I post new videos. Of course, we want to know when Shane is posting because we're posting for the wig series. Thumbs up this video if you like what you see, and like how could you not like be for real. And make sure to share this video with your friends, family, homegirls, homeboys, co-workers, aunties, uncles, the whole family, the whole squad at work, you know, everybody. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.